Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Western Union. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open PayPal in your device and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the three-dot icon from the top right section on your screen. And here, you will see all these options. So you just have to tap on Pay and Get Paid action. Here, under the Payment Methods section, you will see an option called Bank and Cards. Now, just click on Link a Card, and then enter your Western Union prepaid debit card information. Once done, click on Link Card, and you will be able to link your Western Union card to your PayPal account. After that, just log into your account, click on the three-dot icon from the top, and here, you will see the option called Send Money. You can just tap on it, then select the country where you want to send the money and enter the amount of the money. After that, select your PayPal debit card as the payment method, since you have attached your debit card to your PayPal account already, and enter the recipient information in the required section. And once you review the details and everything is set, just click on Send. So that's basically how you can transfer money from PayPal to Western Union. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.